guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alexis for those who don't know me. Ice Beauty. But today we are going to be following a Juvias Place post on Instagram by a lady named Yami Angelina. I believe that's what it is. But she posted a great look. I'm going to be following her tutorial slash just video look, and we're going to be seeing what kind of differences she does compared to what I do and how you'll get this look right here. But if you guys want to see, then keep on watching. Okay, so in the video she already starts off with her eyebrows, so I went ahead and just did mine. I concealed them as well. Not having the best eyebrow day because I need to get them threaded, but we'll just move on from that. But she went ahead and did her eyebrows. I'm not sure if she primed. That wasn't in the video either. But she went ahead and just went straight in with the eyes. So she does go in with a Juvias Place, the new palette, and it is like a reddy berry color. So I'm just gonna go in with Like It's Hot from ColourPop because I don't have the palette she's using, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here. Just gonna pick up a blending brush, dip into that color. Okay, so I'm gonna go right ahead and pick up this color here, and she blends it basically all into the crease. She even brings it into the inner corner as well. So just following what she does. I usually don't do my eyebrows first. I wait till I have my foundation down and my concealer, and then I go in with my eyebrows. Just because that's my routine, but everybody does it different. So after she places that color down, she does go in and cuts the crease. I'm going to just use some concealer, cut the crease. So she goes ahead and cuts the whole crease. And then she lays down another color. She goes in here with the Juvias Place by Juvias, and she hops into what seems to be this color, but I really think she goes in with this color right on the lid. I'm just going to pick up this flat packer brush here, go in with this blue shade. I'm going to go in with this blue shade right here. Brush. Okay, after she packs that color in, she goes in with still the same palette. She goes in with the purple here. She grabs a little packer brush. So I'm going to go right in, pick that color up, and she puts it in the outer corner. And she also wings it out as well. So I'm going to try and get as much pigment as I can. I'm going to try and get as much pigment as I can into that brush and pack it in. And I'm going to, with the remaining I'm struggling, y'all. But here's one eye, all complete. This is all she wrote. Just kidding. This is all she filmed. Just for right now, I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera and throw in some lashes as well because that's what she did. And then we're going to get right back into the look, okay? Okay, so I have both eyes complete. I got my lashes on, my eyebrows. Now she goes right in with foundation. Like I said, I don't know if she uses a primer or not. Just dropping everything. I don't know if she goes in primer, but her skin looks pretty nice. So I just went in with some hydrating cream. But she goes with a flat synthetic brush and just applies her foundation, which she used the Juvias Place new foundation. Full coverage. This might be a little too dark for me now. But oh well, this is all I have. Make it work. Okay. Go in with a beauty blender now. Just to just a little bit. Blend this out here. Bring this down to my neck. Foundation, y'all, is no joke. If you haven't seen my Juvias Place review video, I will link that down in the description below. But you guys, no joke. She goes in with concealer, which is Juvias Place as well. I'm gonna go in with their concealer because I'm just doing what she's doing. This, I'm in shade 15 right here. This is their packaging. Go ahead. And she just does like little lines. I'm pretty sure. She puts it on her nose, forehead. She puts it right here, like this. I usually just put a line to highlight my cupid's bow. She does do her chin here. Not sure if she does anything else. Anyway, but she does highlight her T-zone, etc., etc. I'm just gonna buff this out here. She has the tiniest nose. Okay, this concealer, this foundation, this look, like, I'm already like shook because I look amazing. I look amazing. Anyway, she goes ahead and bakes with, again, Juvias Place. She goes in with the powder they just created. I am in Sahara, and I'm just gonna, she goes lightly. Go ahead and bake really quick. Okay, I set my face. I'm gonna go in with bronzer. I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty here. Just because she uses a heavy amount of blush, I don't want to go too golden with the bronze. So I'm gonna bronze my face here. Okay, now that I bronzed, she does go in with the Sahara blush volume here, and she goes right in with this one. I think that's Dahu. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm gonna go in with that, but she goes very heavily. So I'm gonna go in with a little brush and tap into that. And she just packs it on. But it looks so good on her, so I'm not talking boo-boo. The blush looks so much better on her than me, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I have my blush, I have my bronzer, my eyes. I'm gonna go in the under eyes, like she did. She goes in with this blue-green color here. Just gonna get a little brush here. If I can find one. Here you go. So we get a little brush, and I'm gonna go in with that shade. And she goes in the outer corner. And I believe she goes in with the yellow shade or a gold or something. Not really sure what she goes in with, to be honest. So, I got that. She goes ahead and spritzes her face. So, she doesn't show what spray it is. So, I'm just going to go in with this MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to let that soak in there. My chin looks shiny, y'all. Okay. And then she goes in with highlighter. I do have the highlighter she's using in the video. The Tribe Highlighter Volume 2 by Juvias here. Go ahead and open that for you. Look, it's brand new. She just fell out. It's kind of like a bronzy gold. Very cute. Get my highlighting brush here. She goes pretty heavy as well. I'm just gonna do what she does. Go in. Very pretty. I'm more of a gold person, but this is very cute. And then she goes in. So I have my highlight popping. It's popping. But I'm more of a gold girl. But this is still cute. Got a little fuzzy there. She goes in with lips. I'm pretty sure she uses this shade. It looks very similar. This is Ditto. It's a matte. And it's kind of like peachy nude. I'm going to go ahead and go in with that there. Goes in with that nudie lip. And she does go in with a lip topper, yet she doesn't show it on the video, or it wasn't put part of the editing. I'm not really sure. But I'm just going to go in with here with ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. This is Here's to You. It's like a brown pink gloss. It's got silver flecks in it. So I'm going to go in with that as the lip topper today. And this smells so yummy, y'all. So this is the look. Alrighty, I do want to let you guys know I am wearing Sandy Lovely Lashes. This is an 03. These are nice. They feel natural. They're really wispy. They don't feel heavy. So these were perfect for this look. Not too crazy because the look's already dramatic. But, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look and learned a little bit of tips and tricks. Juvias Place has some great products. I do recommend purchasing their foundation, concealer, I mean everything. Their prices aren't crazy. I loved her video, how she did it. I mean, my makeup looks really good. At first I was like, eh. And then it started working. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link my video for my Juvias Place review as well, and you guys can watch that. But if you did like this video, go ahead and like and leave a comment down below and let me know what I need to improve on for you guys. If you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and click the bell button and you can be alarmed when my next video uploads. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!